For years I've been seeing these tinfoil ball making videos, and I feel like everybody always ends up making their thing like that. No offense to muffin juice, of course. Now I know for a fact I could do better than that, but in the Big 26, I think just about everybody and their mom has made a tinfoil ball. But nobody's made a ball out of lava yet. So to make this, I 3D printed a ball mold. So I'll put it together and I'll pour the lava through the funnel. And just for reference on size, it's just about slightly smaller than one tang head in diameter. So we should have a pretty sizable lava ball. And when I say lava, I mean an obsidian ball. Okay, we have our perlite. Let's put it into our tiny little crucible here. Oh gosh. Okay. Put that in. Now let's start the forge. The perlite is not melting, so we're gonna have to pivot. I decided to use these lava rocks again, which I'd used in my previous lava making video. That's better. And to make them melt faster, I smashed them into a powder. I think we got lava. Okay, we are basically ready to go. We have our thing in the water. It's basically lavafied. Now we gotta try and pour it into that little cone. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pour the lava, but let me just get try to prepare for the heat. Okay. Quickly. Oh boy, this is already huge. Oh no.
Oh shit!
Oh no!
Christian, oh my gosh.
Oh no. Okay, I have to put it down, it's really hot. That is not how that was supposed to go. You know, I'm not sure if we got any inside of the thing.
Christian.
Oh no. None of it went in.
Christian.
There's nothing in it.
Looks like a rotisserie chicken.
Yeah, kinda. Okay, old mold, tiny, barely any room for the lava to go in. New mold, much bigger opening hole. Hopefully the lava will be able to pour in the hole a lot easier and fill up the mold and not just pour along the sides. Look at that, you can see the rocks, they're like starting to sweat in there. Alright, we got lava. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, we're fully lava. This is the last chance we can get it to fully pour in. Let's hope it goes well. Okay, let's go quick. Quick. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on. Oh, it's... Okay, that completely failed. Oh, that was even worse than last time. Well, our thing completely melted, unfortunately. It didn't make a full circle, but you can see right here the outline that did go in. So we kind of like, if I break these ends off, now, oh, I broke it. If you look at only one angle, it's spherical-ish.
Who needs a full circle when you have like 1/8 of a circle?
As I swept the crumbled remains of my mistakes, I realized that perhaps my greatest mistake was the hubris in trying to contain the blood of Mother Earth. And yes, I can make the tinfoil ball. Kinda.